The French Army's newest Griffon multirole troop carriers are now operating in the Baltic region, close to the border with Russia. Multirole armored vehicle Griffon arrived in Estonia and 12 more will arrive on Thursday, as France reinforced its presence inside Enhanced Forward Presence (EFP) in Estonia, the French military said on Twitter. The Griffon is a multirole troop carrier designed to replace the 40-year-old VAB armored personnel carrier and support vehicle. The new vehicle is based on a 6x6 commercial all-terrain truck chassis. Fitted with a 400 horsepower engine coupled to an automatic gearbox, independent running gears and 6-wheel drive, the Griffon allows a great tactical mobility. With a GVW of 24.5 tons, it can reach a speed of 90 km per hour and has excellent crossing capacities on any ground. The 24-ton Griffon entered service in 2019. France expects to procure 1,872 multirole troop carriers.